Preventing solid buildup in septic tanks. A properly maintained septic system runs efficiently, preventing blockages, foul odors, and costly repairs. Solid buildup in the tank can lead to serious issues, but with simple preventive steps, you can keep your system functioning well for years. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 8 key tips to prevent solid accumulation in your septic tank. 1. Pump the tank regularly. Septic tanks need to be pumped every 3 to 5 years to remove solid waste. Delaying this can lead to overflow, clogs, and drain field failure. 2. Be careful what you flush. Only flush waste and septic-safe toilet paper. Avoid flushing wipes, diapers, feminine hygiene products, or paper towels, as they don't break down easily. 3. Limit grease and food waste. Fats, oils, and food scraps can form a thick sludge layer, making it harder for bacteria to break down waste. Dispose of grease in the trash and use sink strainers to catch food debris. 4. Use septic-safe cleaning products. Harsh chemicals like bleach, ammonia, and antibacterial soaps can kill the beneficial bacteria that break down solids. Choose biodegradable and septic-friendly cleaners instead. 5. Conserve water. Excessive water use can overload your septic tank, preventing solids from settling properly. Fix leaks, install water-efficient fixtures, and space out laundry loads to reduce strain on the system. 6. Protect the drain field. Avoid parking vehicles or placing heavy objects over the drain field, as compacted soil reduces its ability to absorb wastewater. Also, plant trees away from the area to prevent root damage. 7. Schedule regular inspections. Annual inspections help detect potential issues before they become costly repairs. Signs of trouble include slow drains, bad odors, or standing water near the drain field. 8. Educate your household. Ensure that everyone in your home knows what should and shouldn't go down the drain. Proper usage helps prevent unnecessary buildup and extends the life of your septic system. By following these simple steps, you can prevent solid buildup, avoid expensive repairs, and keep your septic system running efficiently for years to come. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.